Remember those carefree days of summer vacation? The sun, the fun, the freedom from worries? Well, COVID-19 seems to be trying to relive them too, especially in the Bay Area. The virus is making a comeback, just when we thought we could relax. We're seeing a significant uptick in cases. The numbers are climbing and it's becoming a cause for concern. People are traveling, gathering, and the virus is taking full advantage. Large crowds and close contact are perfect opportunities for it to spread. It's like that friend who always crashes the party uninvited. No one wants it there, but it shows up anyway. This surge is a stark reminder that COVID-19 hasn't quite gotten the memo about summer break being over. It's still very much around. It's still important to be vigilant. We can't let our guard down just yet. We need to be aware of the risks and take steps to protect ourselves and our communities. Simple measures like wearing masks and sanitizing hands can make a big difference. It's not all doom and gloom, though. There are positive signs and reasons to be hopeful. We've come a long way since the early days of the pandemic. The empty streets and lockdowns are behind us. We have more knowledge, more tools, and more experience under our belts. Vaccines, treatments, and better understanding of the virus are all on our side. Let's take a look at how hospitals are managing this recent wave. Healthcare workers are once again on the front lines, doing their best to keep us safe. Remember the overwhelming stress on hospitals during previous waves? The scenes of crowded hallways and exhausted healthcare workers were all too common. The good news is, this time around, things are different. Hospitals are not as overwhelmed, and the atmosphere is noticeably calmer. Hospitals are holding steady, and there's a sense of cautious optimism in the air. Healthcare workers are able to manage their duties more effectively, and there's a general sense of relief. One reason for this is that most cases are now mild. People are not experiencing the severe symptoms that were once common. People are experiencing cold-like symptoms and recovering at home. This has significantly reduced the burden on hospitals. This is a testament to the effectiveness of vaccines and previous infections in building immunity. Vaccination campaigns have played a crucial role in this progress. Another positive sign? Hospitalization rates, while increasing, are still lower than in previous surges. This indicates that the virus is not as deadly as it once was. This suggests that while the virus is spreading, it's not causing the same level of severe illness as before. Medical professionals are better equipped to handle the situation. Of course, we can't let our guard down completely. Continued vigilance is necessary to keep the situation under control. Let's talk about travel and how to stay safe. Following safety protocols while traveling is essential to prevent further spread of the virus. Summer is usually the time for adventure, for exploring new places and soaking up the sun. It's the season when families come together, friends reunite, and everyone looks forward to creating unforgettable memories. But with COVID-19 cases on the rise, travel requires a bit more planning and precaution. It's not just about booking flights and hotels anymore. It's about ensuring your safety and the safety of those around you. The last thing you want is your dream vacation turning into a COVID nightmare. Imagine the stress and anxiety of navigating crowded airports and tourist spots, all while trying to stay safe. Imagine being stuck in quarantine with a bad case of the sniffles instead of enjoying that delicious gelato by the Trevi fountain. The thought alone is enough to make anyone reconsider their travel plans. So, what can you do to protect yourself? It's all about being proactive and prepared. First and foremost, make sure you're up to date on your vaccinations. This simple step can significantly reduce your risk of severe illness and give you peace of mind. This is your best defense against severe illness. Vaccines have proven to be highly effective in preventing serious complications from COVID-19. Also, consider packing some high-quality masks and hand sanitizer in your suitcase. These items are essential for maintaining hygiene and reducing the risk of infection. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. By taking these precautions, you can enjoy your summer adventures while keeping yourself and others safe. Section 5. Bridging the gap. What to do until you can get vaccinated. So, you're eager to get your vaccine, but the shortage has put a temporary wrench in your plans. What can you do in the meantime to stay protected? First, don't panic. Remember the basics. Good hand hygiene, masking in crowded indoor spaces, and staying home when you're feeling under the weather. Think of it like wearing a raincoat on a cloudy day. You might not need it, but it's better to be prepared, right? Another important tip. Stay informed about the latest developments and recommendations from trusted sources like the CDC and your local health department. Knowledge is power.